Afternoon, folks. Mark Nora at Guarantee RV here in Junction City. Today we're going to tour the Windsport 29M. It's a great Class A coach. Features a lot of nice things for your family and friends when you're out having a good time. Let's go inside and take a look. Come on in. Hey folks, welcome to the inside of the 29M. This is a great floor plan. One thing I really like about this coach, this is a full wall slide coach. Great sitting area for social entertainment. We have a really nice mid-mount TV here, makes it real comfortable to lounge back on weekends or on a camp trip. You've got lots of wood cabinets, solid surface countertops, really nice sink spacing here with residential faucets. Easy to get to cabinets here, not too high, easy to grab. One thing real nice with Thor, we're back to the residential style. Microwave here, real nice here. We got an oven, we got our standard cooktop, glass backsplash. One of the unique things in with this bathroom, which I really like, this actually has kind of like the old style barn door, so it's not swinging out into the middle of the hallway like a lot of the other rigs, as well as a real nice size bath. For its 29 footer, one thing that's also really nice here, we've got a master area here with a king size bed and roughly a 29.5 foot coach. That's a really unique opportunity when you have that size of a coach to get out there. We've got nice cabinetry here, big drawers, TV entertainment out here. Again, a few of the nice things with this coach, which is real nice compared to some of the other coaches on the market, being its size, this actually is a dual AC unit. So you can control the temperature in the bedroom as well as the living room at 2 different gauges. So nice little unit, few little extras. Let's go out and take a look at the outside real quick. While we're leaving out here in the coach, I wanted to point out real quick here too. Thor does a great job with the extra above bed here. I went ahead and set up the ladder so you can see that, but this is a full-size bed. Holds about 500 pounds of weight and is just a nice little extra if you have family, friends staying with you for a couple of days that you can utilize. Let's take a look outside, folks. We mentioned a few things outside, inside as well, that are a little bit extra. One of the things real nice with this one, most coaches inside don't have side cameras. This particular rig does come with side cameras. We got full outside entertainment, nice storage. We got the TV out here for entertaining at the game, what have you. One thing I really like about this coach, it also comes with an outside kitchen. You don't have to pack all this stuff in extra coolers. It's already here. It's got the propane spigot. You can do the barbecue right outside. One last thing outside here, this is a partial paint with graphics. So you get the best of both worlds. Great little coach, folks. I'm Mark Nordic, Guarantee RV out here in Junction City. Give me a call, 541-913-8321. I'd love to help you. Give me a call. Thank you.